Welcome to my channel, guys. My name is Joseph Peter, and today, I just wanted to share with you, my beautiful garden. I haven't been, I haven't been in my garden for a little while, so it's sort of taking a bush. But guys, that's my place of comfort. That's my place where, I come and just meditate a lot. You know, and while I'm here, the thought come to me, why I don't just make a video, sharing my opportunity. So that's what I'll do now. I've just joined amazing opportunity just a few days ago, and honestly, after watching the video, I got compelled to join that opportunity. Now, I've been in other opportunities before already, and I have not made so much. Did I make? Yes, I did make money, but I never really learned the process, especially going through leads and how to get leads, direct leads and stuff like that. But after using this program, I decided, what? Before I promote that opportunity, let me take the time out and listen the videos, and also take the course what they share um, within the system, right? And I did that for 2 days. I didn't promote any links, I didn't do any of that. I just decided, what, let me take that very serious. And yesterday, which was Sunday, was my first day in actually going on my social media platforms and promoting the system with the lessons that I've learned through the system, right? And guess what? In my first day of sharing the system, I got my first sale using the tactics that they give us to use, right? So for me, this was really amazing because, as I said, I've been through different opportunities before, but I never really seen so much results like that. Not the results, but I never seen, the course that they give, you getting results from it that fast. So if you want to know more about that opportunity, check the link in my description. All right, and put in your best email address and go check the video. See if that's something that you will want to do. And you can also get back to me on my Facebook page. I will leave my Facebook page there, so you can send me a message, and I can help you set up, once you're paid for the system, or if you want more information about the system, just send me a message, and I'll definitely will get back with you and help you get set up. All right. So again, I didn't come here to stay long, but I just wanted to share that opportunity with you. All right. So until then, see you in the next one.